हेलो गाइस। आप सबका स्वागत है अपने चैनल पे। आज डीएम सीरीज का सेकंड पार्ट है। इन दिस पार्ट वी स्टडी अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ सेट। So basically there are various types of set, but we see main 8 types of set like equal set, empty set, singleton set, subsets, finite set, infinite set, power set, and last is a universal set. First we see equal set. When two sets are equal if and only if they have the same elements, मीन्स दो सेट है, अगर उन्हें दोनों को हमें सेम एलिमेंट होंगे लाइक x बिलोंग्स टू a एंड x बिलोंग्स टू b, then we also call this set are as a equal sets because x also belongs to a and x also belongs to a, means x is an element of a and x also is an element of b. नोट करके रखिए, ऑर्डर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन द सेट डज नॉट मैटर एंड ऑल्सो नोट दैट अगर इलेमेंट मोर देन वन टाइम सेट में होगा, सेम इलेमेंट लाइक वन वन ऐसे सेट में होगा तो वो भी मैटर नहीं करता इन द कंडीशन ऑफ इक्वल सेट. Here we see example like 1 3 5 and 3 5 1 are equal. Now we see here see 1 3 3 5 5 3 and 1 3 5. Again it is the equal set because according to our condition repetition is allowed in a equal set. Now we see empty set. So it is a special type of set because it doesn't contains no elements. This set is also called as a null set and it is denoted by this symbol means null symbol. In this way we represent our empty set and it is also form of a nice example of a empty set. So D, so D greater than 8 and D is the number of days in a week. So there is the 7 days in a week, but here we see 8 days in a week. That's why it is a empty set. And in this way also we denote our empty set like parenthesis. Next set is a singleton set. A set with one element is called as a singleton set. So basically हमेशा लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि सिंगलटन सेट कौन सा है और एम्प्टी सेट कौन सा है. So empty set is denoted by this symbol and singleton set is denoted by this symbol. The single element of the set means singleton set is the empty set itself. Note that. Now we see another type of set which is a subset. The set A is the subset of B if and only if every element of A is also an element of B. So basically हम ये कह सकते हैं कि consider two sets, one set having elements A and B. So ये दोनों elements second set में भी होने चाहिए. अगर अगर हुए तो हम A is the subset of B कह सकते हैं. Like here we see A is the subset of B. सो हमें शो करना पड़ेगा कि जो एक्स इलेमेंट ए में है वही एक्स इलेमेंट बी में भी होने चाहिए, तभी हम कह सकते हैं कि इट इज अ सबसेट. अगर एक्स इलेमेंट जो ए में है वो अगर बी में नहीं हुए तो उसको हम ए इज नॉट अ सबसेट इन दिस वे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. नाउ वी सी एग्जांपल्स. A set of all odd positive integers less than 10. So what is a subset here? It is a subset of all positive integers less than 10. And another example, the set of all rational number is a subset of a real number because real number contains all numbers which are any number like a rational, whole number and natural number. It is diagram for better understanding the size of set. Now we see finite set. A set with a n distinct elements, n belongs to n, is called as a finite set. मीन्स एग्जैक्टली हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जितने हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उतने ही एलिमेंट फाइनाइट सेट में होते हैं. लाइक वी सी एग्जांपल. सो इट इज अ फाइनाइट बिकॉज वी काउंट देम and there is a six element in the P. That's why it is an example of finite set. Another example is natural number less than 25. It is also countable. That's why it is also example of finite set. Another example is whole number between 5 and 45. Also we count them. So it is again example of finite set. So there is a 38 numbers between 5 and 45. We count them. That's why it is an example of finite set. Now we see infinite set. So set basically होता क्या infinite set. A set is a set to be infinite if it is not finite. Means जो set finite नहीं होता है वो set infinite होता है. Like we see example, the set of positive integers is a finite. Yes, it is finite, like because we not count all positive integer because it goes to infinity. Another example is x belongs to real number. Also we not count real numbers. That's why it is again example of infinite set. Again, third example rational, and fourth example again real, and last five example is integers. So integer contain positive integer, negative integer, also zero. So it is again going to infinity. We not count them. That's why all are these examples of infinite set. Now we see power set. It is an important set in a types of set. Many sums are come on this power set. So listen carefully and you guys try sums of a finite set. So basically power set होता क्या है? So it is a set of all the subset of the given set. Means जितने भी सबसेट होते हैं सेट के उनको मिलाकर पावर सेट बनता है. आई एम अगेन रिपीट. मीन्स जितने भी सबसेट होते हैं इस सेट के उनको मिलाकर पावर सेट बनते हैं. For better understanding we take sum. What is the power set of 0, 1, 2, 3? So first we find the subset. First coming to the null set because null is the first subset of any set. Second is 0, third is 1 and 2. Now we take 0, 1, 0, 2. Now we take 1, 2 and last is 0, 1, 2. Means the set also is the subset itself. It is not that. So the empty set and set itself is also the member of set. Here we see that. So all guys note them this part. So what is the power set of the empty set? So empty set it is denoted by this way. So power set में क्या होगा? So only null set ही आएगा subset. Now we see what is the power set of this set. Means what is the power set of singleton set. So singleton set also itself as a subset and another is a according to our note part. Null set is the official subset of all the sets. So that's why null set and singleton set come in the power set of singleton set. Now we see universal set. Any larger set which contains a some subset is called as a universal set and it is denoted by this symbol means capital U. Now we see first example. R contains rational, integer, whole and natural numbers. Therefore, R is an universal set for rational, integer, whole and natural. Second example is a CPU consists of hard disk, RAM, ROM, sound cards, etc. That's why it can be treated as universal set because universal set contains some subsets according to our definition. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए फॉर अपकमिंग वीडियोज ऑफ कैलकुलस एंड डाटा स्ट्रक्चर।